In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my Taobao cart for cheap finds. To get started, open the Taobao app on your phone or go to the official Taobao website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access the items you've already saved. This is the best place to begin if you want to review potential purchases and make sure you're getting the best value before checking out. After logging in, go to your shopping cart. In the app, the cart icon is usually located along the bottom of the screen, while on the website, it's often near the top. Tap or click it to open everything you've added so far. This gives you a full view of the items you're considering, all in one place. Now take a moment to review the products in your cart carefully. Look through each item and pay attention to the current price, the seller's rating, any estimated shipping fees, and whether there are promotions attached to the listing. A low item price can be attractive, but it's always worth checking the overall value, especially if you're choosing between similar products. Next, use any sorting or filtering tools available in the cart to compare prices more easily. This can help you quickly spot which items are the most affordable and which ones may not be as competitive as they first appeared. If you have multiple versions of the same type of product saved, this step makes comparison much simpler. Once you've done that, check for discounts and coupons. Look for seller coupons, platform vouchers, flash sale pricing, or bundle deals that might lower your total. These offers can make a noticeable difference, especially if you're buying more than one item. It's a good habit to scan for these savings before making any final decisions. If your goal is to keep costs down, now is a great time to remove the more expensive options from your cart. Keep the products that offer the best balance between price, ratings, and shipping. This helps clean up your cart and makes the final decision easier. Before you buy anything, make sure to check the shipping costs. Sometimes an item looks very cheap at first, but the delivery fee increases the total more than expected. Reviewing shipping details now can prevent surprises later. Once you've selected the best value items, choose the ones you want to purchase and move forward to checkout. By reviewing your Taobao cart regularly, comparing listings, and checking discounts and shipping, you can make smarter buying decisions and save more on every order.